What's up, students? We're going over the 1-8 notes. I'm on page 53. Hopefully you're following along with me. Again, this is a printout, a photocopy of the book, so please don't write in your book. We're talking about equations and whether they're true, false, or open. First of all, some vocabulary. What is an equation? An equation is a math sentence with an equal sign in it. So the analogy that I have is this: 2x plus 10, that's an expression. 2x equals 10, that's an equation. Expression, equation, expression, equation. And then the whole point of an equation is to find the number that makes it true, because a sentence could be true, false, or open. We want true sentences, all right? So how do you classify them? Well, here we go. Here's problem number 1 on page 53. For it to be true, that means the math actually needs to be correct. So 24 plus 18 and then 20 plus 22, that's true because both of them make 42. 42 equals 42. 7 times 8 is 56, and 56 does not equal 54, so this is a false sentence. And then as soon as you see a variable, it's open. Okay, that's pretty easy to spot an open one. As soon as you see a variable, it's an open sentence. Kind of like an open ending to a movie, like to be continued. You don't really know how the movie's going to end because they left the movie open for a sequel or whatever they're planning to do with their movies and stuff. So it's an open sentence if it contains one or more variables. All right, so here's the guided questions. This is from your notes. If you could be so kind, copy these down really quick and then figure them out here. So after you copy them, you should say that, oh, this one's an open sentence. Let's see here, 16 minus 7, I think that's 9. 4 plus 5 is also 9. Ooh, that's true. And then 32 divided by 8 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. Not true. False. Okay, that's how easy those things are. Eventually, the whole end game, students, is to figure out what this is. What should this be? This could be anything you want it to be, but you want the number that brings truth to it. So if you have a little bit of mental math skills, you'd probably figure out, oh, x has to be 5. Yes. This one right here, this is a bit more of a difficult one. You will be trained in the ways of figuring this out to figure out what y has to be. It could be anything you want it to be. You can plug in any number you want, but there's only one number that will make it true. So not to show off or anything, but there's a couple of tricks I've learned throughout the years. Boom, boom, boom. I'm guessing y should equal 7. Okay, just guessing. Okay, so there's some tricks that I've learned. I will pass those tricks on to you, so don't worry. Y is the solution, but we're not finding solutions today. We're just figuring out if it's true, false, or open. Okay, next example coming in hot.